in Maharashtra, different locations where all our colleagues are. I want to first go across to Mumbai city. That's where Ritvik Bhalekar is. There's also Piyush Mishra from where the RSS headquarters, Mohan Bhagwat visuals were coming in. Also, we're joined by other colleagues, Mustafa Sheikh joining me and also Omkar Vable. Let me first go across to you for now, Mustafa. What is it looking like this morning finally here after the hectic parlays that happened?
Well, Pooja, as we have seen that the leaders are voting, there are also citizens who are voting. We are in Dadar, the Bal Mohan school. Dadar signifies the birth of Shiv Sena as a party. Now it is converted into three parties, MNS and two factions of Shiv Sena. That's a different thing. But here you see that citizens are coming out and voting, mostly senior citizens, but also there are people, young people who have voted. Sir, excuse me. Sir, vote kiya aapne? So, you were the first to vote, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Dadar is very politically active. You always have political events taking place in Dadar. You are also like very much involved in politics. You read and
No, not at all. Means थोड़ा बहुत ही करता हूँ. आणि पण टीव्हीवर आहे इनका.
Yeah, it's on live. But you think you have voted for development or you have voted for change?
No, for development. Okay.
Whatever infrastructure work is going on in Mumbai should continue.
Yes. Metro main ki Dadar is going to.
You travel to work?
I worked at Worli only, so that is nearby. But metro will be helpful for everyone, so I am going for that.
Available public transport in Mumbai is not enough. You need more transport modes is what.
It will be easy for everyone, like traffic problems solve ho jayenge or everything. So that's why developments are always good.
So you can say, Pooja, that people have already started to come in. There are Mumbaikas voting in the city of Mumbai. There are some who are first to vote,
and
they are
Mustafa,
hoping
I have
that
to
some
say,
good change.
Not many voters, when we ask them on the voting day, have to say traffic, usually, or transportation. But it's in Mumbai. It's understandable. That's been one of either the lifeline or a need for a better lifeline. Stay on with me, Mustafa. I want to go across to Nagpur now. Piyush, so from Delhi to Maharashtra right now, and that's the RSS headquarters. But I must say, RSS chief at 7 a.m. cast his vote all out ready. What was the mood like there in the morning?
Well, Pooja, every time whenever elections take place in Maharashtra, he is the one who becomes the first voter. Remember that he had left from RSS headquarters at around 6:45 and walked towards the voting center, and he waited there, for the voting to begin. And and the moment voting began, he was the first voter to cast his vote, and along with him, the other senior leaders of RSS were also present, like Bhaiyaji Joshi, Sunil Ambekar, and there were many others from Nagpur and from other parts of the country who were accompanying RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Though who are not voters, they were made to stand outside, and the voters who are from Nagpur, they were allowed to go inside, and they cast their vote.
Stay on with me, Deputy CM Maharashtra Ajit Pawar, NCP speaking. Let's listen into that.
और वो इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं कि सच क्या है।
इससे कोई नुकसान हो सकता है,
नहीं, जब तक क्या सच है वे ये लोगों के सामने नहीं आता तो नुकसान होने का सवाल कहाँ आता है।
बिटकॉइन में भी जब आता है आरोप लगाए जाते हैं।
अरे ये सबके बारे में इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। इंक्वायरी का अधिकार जिस ऑफिसर को है वो ऑफिसर ठीक तरह से जानकारी लेगा और फिर उसके बाद पता चलेगा। उसके लिए कुछ टाइम देना पड़ेगा।
शरद पवार ने जिस तरीके से कहा कि आने वाले समय में योगेंद्र पवार उत्तराधिकारी के तौर पे उन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट किया हुआ है, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
अभी उसके बारे में बारामती के हमारे वोटर फाइनल करेंगे कि उनका बारामती का उत्तराधिकारी कौन होना चाहिए। मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना बाबा की त्या संदर्भामध्ये कंप्लेंट केली गेलेली आहे। निवडणूक आयोगाने ते कंप्लेंटची नोंद घेतलेली आहे। त्यांनी त्याच्याबद्दलची इन्क्वायरी करायला सांगितलेले। इन्क्वायरी सगळ्या ज्या काही क्लिप आलेले आहेत, ज्या काही कंप्लेंट्स आलेले आहेत, त्या सगळ्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये चौकशी केल्यानंतरच काय ह्याचं मास्टर माइंड कोण आहे, काय सच आहे, काय झूट आहे, हे लोकांच्या समोर येईल। काय आरोप केले? कुठे?
Let's then go across to my colleague Ritwik Bhalekar in Mumbai. Ritwik, a few hours ago when we were having a conversation, that was about the whole cash for votes allegation drama. Has the BJP been able to put it aside, focus on voting day? And as Ritwik also continues to get us more reactions, I want to also go across to Mustafa on that. A quick word from you, Mustafa, on that. So a whole cash for votes allegation, do you think that for now BJP is trying to focus mainly on the voting pattern? Who all, according to your information, has voted?
Well, yes, we have visuals of Mumbai BJP chief Ashish Shelar voting. You earlier we have shown the viewers that the China NC has voted. Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, is always the first to vote at a school which is just nearby the RSS headquarters in Nagpur. There are many candidates from different parties who have come out to vote, and also we are expecting here where we are present at Bal Mohan School in Dadar that Raj Thackeray with his family, his son Amit Thackeray, is contesting from Mahim seat, which is this constitution. They'll be voting around 9 a.m. Similarly, Uddhav Thackeray is expected to vote soon. Ajit Pawar we saw in Baramati was voting. He's one of the first voters to cast his vote, and you can say that he spoke about the cash for votes scam.
So it will be
Also,
one
he said
crucial
that
factor, and I'll go across to Omkar on that in just a short while. I request all of our colleagues to please stay on. So it's the big day. Big day for Maharashtra, because this election is going to be unlike any other that we've seen, especially even for Maharashtra, especially the factions that happen. As all our colleagues continue to bring us ground reports, Baramati is going to be important because Baramati has now become a family fight. Ajit Pawar not only jumping ship from the Mahayuti, from the Mahavikas Aghadi to the Mahayuti, but it's also the Pawar fight, the family that in many ways Baramati is where their stronghold is. And can Ajit Pawar manage to gain it for himself? Amid all of this, as we look at the visuals coming in, Ashish Shelar we saw voting just about a short while ago, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, China NC, other leaders as well, more and more, and it would be interesting to see more of Mahavikas Aghadi leaders, as much as we are looking at the Mahayuti leaders who have been coming to cast their vote. So, Mustafa, I bring you in here. What has been the election campaigning like? For example, in whether it's in Baramati, whether it's in other constituencies, I've seen that many of them have been allies and today are contesting against each other. Mustafa, yes, that's the question to you, quickly. All right, Mustafa, I'll come back to you on this in just a short while. Let's bring in Ritwik here. Ritwik, so the same question to you. Isn't it interesting in Maharashtra? Allies, family members a few months ago are today contestants and candidates against each other.
Yes, absolutely. This election in Maharashtra is a make or break election for many of the political families, and the allegations which are being made against each other and the peak of the campaigning we saw. Two regional parties have split, be it Shiv Sena or be it NCP. Both the parties are up against each other, and this is the first assembly poll where they are going to fight against each other.
Very proud of his inked finger. Let's get in a word from him without him revealing who he has voted for.
Exactly, yeah. Sure. So right now I'm in Bandra East, where Thackeray family is going to vote, and right in the morning we can see people are queuing up to cast their votes, and a senior citizen has come out. He is presumably the first voter here, and we'll take a quick word from him. What would you say? क्या कहोगे कि आपने किस मुद्दों को लेकर यहाँ पर वोट किया?
हमको इंग्लिश नहीं आता है।
नहीं, हिंदी में बताइए, किन मुद्दों को लेकर आपने यहाँ पर वोट किया? आपको क्या लगता है यहाँ पर क्या कुछ होना चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं, वो ठाकरे चलिए।
Happy to have.
इतने जल्दी सुबह आए यहाँ पर वोट डालने, आप क्या बताएंगे? यंगर जनरेशन भी बड़ी पैमाने पर यहाँ पर वोट करना आना चाहिए। आप सीनियर सिटीजन होके सुबह 7 बजे पहला वोट आपने डाला।
ओ हम ठाकरे।
लेकिन अपील
Even in
करेंगे
Marathi,
यंगर जनरेशन को भी,
Ritwik, we'll be happy to listen to him in Marathi if he's comfortable.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
ठीक आहे, तुम्ही मराठी बोलू शकता? हा, मराठी यंगर जनरेशनला तुम्ही काय सांगाल? मोठ्या प्रमाणात वोटिंग करायला सांगाल? तुम्ही सिनियर सिटीजन असून तुम्ही इतक्या सकाळी येऊन वोटिंग केलं?
आम्ही इथे असतो ना, तो बाजूला, आम्ही